Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is your boy Dre Senpai back at you with another video today. So we are going to be looking at the team right here on the screen, REGEN. We took a look at Trunks, well I should say Baby Trunks in GT. He flowed really nice. He has great burst damage. He disrupts really good. I think he's a really solid green unit for GT. Now we're going to hop on and see how he fares alongside with REGEN, because he does buff REGEN, and I think he is going to do just fine. We have Ultra Kid Buu in the leader slot. Of course, we have Baby Trunks. My very first this is crazy. I'm finally going to be able to use Orange Piccolo, even though he has, been power crept a little bit. So unfortunate, but it's okay. We got Orange Piccolo, we have the Revival Cell, then we have LF Death Counter Cell, and then we have Zamasu. So I'm excited to see what this team is capable of with Baby Trunks helping out. So yeah, and this is will be my first time using Death Counter LF Cell as well. So I mean, hey, I'm good. I'm Gucci. You know what I'm saying? I'm still going to be working on trying to get LF Baby. So bear with me, guys. Like I said, I am in the process of moving right now. So yeah, but anyways, enough about all that. Let's go ahead and hop on in. But if you do like the content, please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so we have a I guess mainly Sun family, pretty much. My man's using Ultra Super Saiyan Goku, but then again, I mean, it looks like he's just now starting the game like that, probably. So definitely gonna have to start ranking up a little more. I haven't really played too much PvP aside from recording for you guys, because like I said, I'm in the process of moving and have a lot going on. So, but it's all good. Here we go. Okay, one down. Well, I should say two down. One to go. Just pop that. No lie, I mean, this setup that I've made for REGEN, I kind of like it. It looks pretty promising. End it with a blue.
Couple's revenge begins now.
Oh, okay, we got a future team. Oh man, okay, so he's definitely bringing the Green Goku Black. Crazy enough, man, that Green Goku Black, man, I think he is in line to get a Zenkai this year, and if they do his Zenkai right, he is going to be a monster, because he was definitely a monster when he released, and he remained relevant for quite some time, really. So I am nervous yet happy when they announced that he's going to get a Zenkai, because man, oh man, he is definitely going to be a powerhouse, man. And y'all going to see there's going to be some old teams that's going to resurface how he used to be ran, and yeah, those were crazy.
Let's savor your demise.
No. All right. All right. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna tell you right now, he hits a Zenkai, that's gonna do way more damage. There we go. Yes. Kid Buu with the AoE green, man. Kid Buu can still put in that work, man. Okay, I was gonna say, yeah, he's definitely coming in right now. Just keep up with the damage, man.
I'll give it. I hope you're ready. Farewell.
There we go. No. Ouch. Here we go. All right, and then there was one.
The power was this great.
Oh, I see how you want to do. Let's go strike. Hey, okay. Ooh, caught you slipping.
Let's end this.
Here we go.
A little harsh, perhaps, but it's done. I finally obtained the power of the
Alrighty.
All right.
We got Orange Piccolo in this game. I mean, granted, he's only at 4 stars, so I mean, I really don't expect Orange Piccolo to hit like that. We'll definitely see though. No. Okay, there's definitely just a little bit of delay here, but we'll make it work. We'll make it work. For those of you who are using, you know, Baby Trunks, if you summoned for him and got him, what teams are you using them on? Like, I want to know. Crazy enough, he is not on Vegeta Clan. Oh my gosh, man. Come on. Woo, PV. It's just crazy, man. He's not on Vegeta Clan. He should be. Hello? Okay. Alrighty.
Show you my full power.
That drop? Yep.
Watch closely.
Taps.
Not bad.
Oh, darn it.
You're a lot tougher than I expected.
Ooh, coach it. There we go. It's crazy, man. Like, Piccolo has been out for almost a year, and I'm just now pulling him. That's crazy. Funny story, y'all. I didn't pull the very first, I wouldn't say very first LF unit, but I didn't pull the purple LF Super Vegito from the very first anniversary of Legends until the 30th anniversary. Yeah. Talk about the shaft of my existence, dude. Crazy. Gone. But you guys tell me, like, what's like the biggest shaft that you have ever experienced in this game? Mine was, I think, the Super Vegito, man. I mean, I didn't pull him first year anniversary or second. 3rd year is when I finally pulled him. Oh man, this lag is not it. And it made me, oh goodness. Sheesh. This lag is not it, man. Okay, you're dead. Mm-hmm. Okay, Rush should be coming in right now. Yup. Only makes sense. It's all good. Woo! I am so sorry, my guy. Here we go.
Take this. Can't afford to lose. Can't afford to lose.
I be forgetting, man. Like Red Beast Han, man, he can restore his vanishing gauge so much. All right, Orange. Woo! Okay. Let's just end it off with baby. There we go.
I'll only get stronger from here.
Bring it on, UI. Bring it on. Okay, well, not this connection. Not this connection, bro. Oh, sweet Lord. Okay. Yeah, I could not let you hold on to that. Ooh, charge in like that. Okay. This connection is not it, y'all. Tap. Someone's trying to call me. Lord, help me. Already, okay. Taps, no.
Take this. I will let you.
There we go.
Alright, that attack was fairly impressive.
Add one more strike in. Alright. Let's pop this, get a blue.
I suppose I'll say.
There we go. Okay. This connection is terrible. Alright, let's win this. Hey, alright. Let's just lock you in. Woo! Really? Well, Ultra UI, you are gone, boy. Alright, ult time. Never mind, forfeit time. Alrighty then. I don't know what this is. This just straight Saiyans with Gohan on it? I don't know.
Let's make it a match for the books.
We are going to make this the final match here. Yeah, I mean, he flows really well on Regen. Got the support coming in from Orange Piccolo when you have him in. Kid Buu is still, yeah, he's still good. I finally got my hands on, this Death Count LF cell. So, Regen is kind of nice. One thing I just don't have Ultra Janemba. But, hey, it's all good.
I'll take care of the rest. His power is amazing.
You slice that?
Here.
No. Oh, dang. We are eating this. I'm about to say you might want to swap, but it's all good. Bye, UI. Alright, go on. Woo. Alrighty. Let's just do that. Get a card. Can I end it with the ult though? No.
No, you don't.
Ooh. There we go. Regen, man. Regen. Alright guys, final match. Hope you guys have enjoyed. I'll see you all next time. Deuces.